Vlogs. I just thought to make a quick video how the situation going around the world. So this is basically for data extract from the Australian Department of Health in Google Sheet. It's pretty easy. I'll just show you the source. This is the source for my data. So what I need to do is I want to pull out this data every hour in the Google Sheet. So people who out there is want to do analysis and do some research. It could be changed from an hour to 5 minutes, but I think hours is enough. It's a federal statistics which is get published a little bit late, but anyway, the purpose of this video is to show you how to extract data from any website, basically, if it allows. So this one allows. So all you have to do is import XML as I have written. After the XML, you have to put this colon to mention the website. So this is the website URL. Make sure it's get enclosed in the double quotes starting and the end one. And after that, all you have to mention is the element, like the HTML element, like tbody and then /tr. So I will show you how you can get these things from the web page, which is pretty simple. And then you have to enter, and then it has start showing up the results. If I'm going to remove this one, which I removed it, yeah, I put the dates already there with the formula. I will show you maybe in the next tutorial how to add this one. So simply, if I paste the formula there, it's pull out the details from there. So as you can see, the details here is similar to whatever is there. So all you have to do with this one is right click here, go to inspect. Once you go to inspect, so what we are pulling out the data is, this is the tbody which I mentioned initially in my formula, and this is the tr, which is the table rows. So that's what I want to pull it out. So if I go here, you can see forward 2 slashes and then /tr. So it pull out the data, but I want to record the time and date as well. So this is the time and date I pull out. I will show you maybe in the next video, show you why I put 10 out there, but this is the formula for the next tutorial. Probably I'll publish this Google Sheet anyway, so whoever needs this help. So this is the way to pull the data. The next step is how you make the history of it. So I'm making the history every time it's pull out the data, it makes the history here. This is I have done through a script. The way you can write a script, I think, okay, I'll show you. A script editor can be done through tools, and then you can do script editor. What you can do is you can write a piece of script, which I have done it. I think you can see it. It's pretty not very neat, but I think it does the job. Or maybe look, I'll post this these details there as well. Yeah, and what it does, it pull out the data and then send an email to one of the email address and let them know what is it, and also append it to the history sheet. So this is the script behind it which runs, and then it pull the data there. Yeah, and then you can do analysis from whatever. This is come from Australia, and then if you decided from some other country, you can also do it. I hope it helps. Yeah, thank you.